I brought some Christmas in June for us. Snowflake. It's 34 inches tall, just over 12 feet of wood in there, 147 inches of wood. Lots of crazy angles. It hangs by a single hole on the wall or outside. I think, regardless of what you guys may think tonight, I got brownie points. My wife has already ordered 2 more. But she wants different sizes. So I went, taking all of the angles together, I reduced it to 12 inches. And I'm sure some of you, particularly with much of the smaller stuff, paint it before you put it together. And I had a serendipitous event as well. I was going through my scrap area, and a couple of these things looked like buildings. So I've built a city silhouette. This is a pseudo, what's-his-face, Skylon Tower. The wood in here is pine, oak, maple, and even managed to get a little bit of rotting wood in here that I call my Trump Tower. It's hung up with 2 things. Toughest part of this one was painting all of these little things before I glued it up. I do learn. But they were both fun things to build, and they have some interesting designs and stuff. Any questions?
What's your snowflakes made of?
I beg pardon?
What type of wood did you use in your snowflakes?
The wood?
Yes.
The snowflake.
The wood is just 1x2 in the snowflake.
Pine or?
Yeah. And toughest part there is getting all the angles right and getting the damn things to stick together. But yeah, when I started my city silhouette, I didn't know what I was going to bring today as my second one. But that wood just sort of came together. And I see all these things. I thought, it's 24 inches long, doesn't weigh an awful lot, and I'm very happy that I was able to come up with some stuff like that. Any other questions? Okay, thank you.